At 25, he had almost nothing to show for his days. A messy room, cheap food, empty bottles, and a job he hated. Every night looked the same. He came home exhausted, opened his phone, scrolled for hours, eat junk, and promised tomorrow would be different. But tomorrow kept becoming another version of today. The screen stole his attention, the habit stole his energy, and he barely recognized himself. And one night, he finally looked around. The room was disgusting, but for the first time, the mess felt like something he could actually change. He started with the easiest victory: trash. Bottles, wrappers, old food, useless clutter, gone. It wasn't a transformation. It was one decision. Cleaning didn't fix his life. Quitting old habits didn't feel heroic either. Around the hardest moments, his brain begged him to return. He almost did. Then he remembered why he started. So he deleted the apps that kept pulling him back, one after another. The phone showed warnings, confirmations, even one sarcastic goodbye. He smiled. For once, the algorithm wasn't deciding what happened next. His goals changed too. No more vague promises like be better. He wrote simple actions: wake up, train, read, clean, eat better, repeat. Then he started going outside. He smiled at strangers. Some ignored him, some looked confused. It didn't matter. He was practicing being alive again. He learned that discipline didn't mean becoming a monk. He could still meet people, laugh, and hang out, without letting every night become an escape. Slowly, his routine became stronger. The same modest job was still there. The same bills were still there. But his relationship with life had changed. Months of small choices started showing. He was leaner, cleaner, calmer. Nothing extreme. No miracle body. Just proof that repetition leaves a mark. He read more. He ate better. He kept working at McDonald's. His life wasn't glamorous, but his room was clean, his mind was clearer, and his mornings belonged to him. He didn't become a different person overnight. He simply stopped abandoning himself every day. And that was enough to make an ordinary life feel worth living. One morning, the alarm was set for 5. When it rang, his bed was already empty. He was outside, moving before excuses could wake up. Training hurt. Some days he cried, some days his body wanted to stop. But he kept going, not because he felt powerful, but because he chose to continue.